Perks of being married to the watchmaker, I get to skip the wait list.
I don't get a choice.
This cocktail watch, while designed with me in mind, was built like all of Rexx timepieces, from scratch with sophistication.
We had a lot of fun with this one. Alright, I heard you. Apparently, my workbench has been a men's club for far too long. Hey everyone, Meidan here, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make a women's watch. So I'm placing my dial onto the movement. Before I'm starting installing the hands, I want to make sure that the date wheel flips. There you go. These are the hands. Classic golden color hands with loom. I just love these classic hands. We're going to start with the hour hand, and I'm going to place the hour hand precisely at 12 o'clock. I will make sure it is aligned. And using the hand press tool, we're going to press the hand down gently. And I will push it forward until it's all the way on its wheel. And I want to make sure it is on the wheel from every angle. And it looks really good. We can move on to the minute hand, and I'm placing the minute hand on top of the hour hand, but on its own wheel. And again, I will gently press it down, but without touching the hour hand. I want to make sure that I always have gap between the hands. And it looks good. It looks perfect actually. Now let's make sure that the hands are touching base at 12 o'clock and that the date wheel flips with no more than 5 minutes deviation. And it looks like we have 1 minute, which is perfect. Now I will use the Rodico to grab the second hand, and gently I will press it down on this little pin. You don't want to press it too hard because this pin, it might break. And if you break the pin, you'll have to get a new movement. It looks perfect. We have pulse. Now I'm placing all the hands one on top of the other, and I want to make sure that we have gaps between each hand, and the gaps are identical throughout the entire length of each hand. And as you can see, we have perfect gaps. Now let's flip the movement, and we need to get the temporary stem out. I don't know if you can see that little dot, but we need to press on that dot in order to get the stem out. Let's do that. There you go. Now I'm flipping the movement again. And let's clean up the dial. This is my favorite part, taking the protective sticker off, but I only have one protective sticker this time. And this case is really beautiful. It's a 34mm case, stainless steel, with a nice domed bubbly crystal. Let's open up the case. And we have this rubber gasket in there. Let's take it out. We're gonna get back to it later. This is the most important thing for me, cleaning up the case from the inside. If there is one thing I hate, is closing a watch and realizing I have dust and dirt inside. It is very important to work clean. And look at that, totally clean, no dust, no dirt. From the inside, it's clean as well. And that's how you should work always, Keep your work clean. Now let's case the watch. Flip it. Sometimes the watch needs a little push from the other side, and that's what I'm doing. I don't want to push it too hard. Always be gentle because you might scratch the dial. And this is our stem, and we need to shorten it a little bit because it's too long. So let's do that. There you go. And we can get rid of that extra part. We don't need that anymore. And the edge of the stem is a little smushed, as you can see. So we need to smooth it out. Otherwise, I won't be able to get it into the crown. And this looks so much better already. And it gets into the crown with no problems. Perfect. Now let's get the stem into its hole. There you go, until it clicks. And perfect. One thing you gotta make sure is that you don't have any gaps between the crown and the case. Now let's clean up the back cover as well. Since it's a transparent back cover, you wanna make sure you don't have any pieces of dust and dirt in there as well. And the back cover looks clean and nice. Really nice. Now I'm going to lubricate the rubber gasket. This will help us seal the watch for water and dust. I'm going to place the rubber gasket on the back cover. Sometimes the rubber gasket goes into the case and sometimes it goes to the back cover. Let's clean up the back of the watch and close it. It's so nice. I'm gonna use the rubber ball to tighten it. And look at that watch. Isn't it pretty? It's just gorgeous, I think. So nice. The back is clean. Look at the movement. We wrap it up with a beautiful, thin, white leather band. And wow, look at that watch. It's just beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next build.